Hello friends, welcome again Doctor Entrance Exam. Topic is psychiatry and subtopics are neurotic stress related and somatoform disorder. Drug of choice of acute anxiety attack is benzodiazepine. Drug of choice of GAD is benzodiazepine, SSRI, TCA and buspirone. Agoraphobia is fear of places from where easy escape is not possible. Phobia is characterized by excessive and irrational fear of common objects, which is usually not feared by others. Phobia is neurosis. Most common type of phobia is agoraphobia. Flooding is a type of behavior therapy used in treatment of phobia. Most specific symptoms of social phobia is blushing or shaking. In obsessive compulsive disorder, anxiety is produced if not allowed to act. Best treatment for obsessive compulsive neurosis is drugs with behavior therapy. Drug of choice for treatment of obsessive compulsive disorder is SSRI. Best SSRI is fluvoxamine. Undoing is a defense mechanism typically seen in obsessive compulsive disorder. Most common type of obsession is contamination, which is greater than pathological doubt. Most common compulsion is checking. Obsessive compulsive disorder has a lifetime prevalence of 2.5%. Somatization disorder is characterizing by polysymptomatic presentation. Patient comes to doctor with multiple symptoms which are present across several organ systems. For example, she has seen 5 doctors in the past 3 months for multiple complaints in multiple organ system. Hypochondriasis, physiological bodily function or minimum complaints are taken as sign of deadly disease. Body dysmorphic disorder is doubt and preoccupation about outer appearance of body. As per DSM-5, it is taken under obsessive compulsive disorder. For hypochondriasis, body dysmorphic disorder, somatoform disorder, symptoms must be present for more than 6 months for diagnosis. In hysteria, defense mechanism seen is dissociation. The hysterical seizures never occur in sleep. Treatment of choice for hysteria is psychotherapy. Kleptomania means irresistible desire to pick up things, stealing. Trichotillomania means pulling of one's own hair. A lady, while driving a car, met an accident. She was admitted in an ICU for 6 months. After being discharged, she often gets up in the night and feels terrified and fear to sit in a car again. The diagnosis is post traumatic stress disorder and treatment is EMDR means eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. Post traumatic stress syndrome is due to major life threatening events. Adjustment disorder is a disorder characterized by mild depressive and anxiety features following a significant but not life threatening life event lasts for a maximum duration of 6 months and resolves spontaneously. Polysomnography can differentiate fibromyalgia from dysthymia. Sleep and sleep related disorder. NREM sleep is quiet, orthodox sleep, while REM sleep is paradoxical sleep. REM means rapid eye movement. Short-tooth waves are characteristic EEG feature of REM sleep. O2 consumption by brain and GH secretion typically increase in REM sleep. NREM stage 2 sleep is characterized by sleep spindles and K complexes. Activity increases in thalamocortical loop during NREM sleep. Nightmares are disorders of REM sleep, while night terrors are disorders of NREM sleep. Jactatio capitis aka head tossing is a characteristic disorder of stage 0 to 1 of NREM sleep. Triad of sleep attacks and paralysis, cataplexy, and sleep hallucinations is seen in Galileo syndrome, aka narcolepsy. Decreased latency of REM sleep is a characteristic feature of narcolepsy. OSA is the most common organic cause of daytime sleepiness. Pickwickian syndrome is the most important risk factor associated with OSA. Narcolepsy is characterized by sleep attacks, sleep paralysis, cataplexy, hypnagogic and hypnopompic hallucinations, abnormal REM intrusion in EEG. Center of narcolepsy lies in hypothalamus. Drug of choice of narcolepsy is modafinil. In narcolepsy, the polysomnography recording typically shows REM intrusion during inappropriate periods. Nightmares is a parasomnia associated with REM sleep. Paradoxical sleep is REM. Klein-Levin syndrome is invariably associated with hypersomnia, hyperphagia, hypersexuality. Night terrors is associated with non-REM, NREM sleep. Actigraphy is a non-invasive method of monitoring human rest activity cycles to determine sleep patterns and circadian rhythms. Now come to eating disorders. Hypokalemic, hypochloremic alkalosis, dental caries, and parotitis are characteristic features in binge eating, purging subtype of anorexia nervosa. Patients of bulimia nervosa usually weigh within normal ranges. Amenorrhea is a prominent feature of anorexia nervosa. Treatment of choice for anorexia nervosa is cognitive behavior therapy. Treatment of choice for bulimia nervosa is medical management with fluoxetine. Body image disturbance is seen in anorexia nervosa. A young lady is present with history of repeated episodes of overeating, followed by purging using laxatives. Diagnosis is bulimia nervosa. Anorexia nervosa (AN) can be differentiated from bulimia by BMI, which is less than 17.5 in AN. Various forms of treatment in psychiatry. Lithium is the drug of choice for cyclothymia, bipolar disorders, and acute mania. Normal therapeutic level of lithium is zero point 0.8 to 1.2 MEq per liter, while prophylactic level should be maintained at zero point 0.6 to zero point 0.8 MEq per liter. Major or severe depression with high suicidal tendency is the most common and most important indication of ECT. Retrograde amnesia is most common and a classic side effect of modified ECT. Aripiprazole belongs to atypical antipsychotics and has least sexual side effects. Tardive dyskinesia due to typical antipsychotics is most common in elderly females. Acute muscle dystonia due to typical antipsychotics is treated by promethazine. Haloperidol is the most common antipsychotic drug to cause akathisia. Beta blockers are the drug of choice for akathisia. IM depot injections are used for schizophrenia in non-compliant patients. Jacobson's relaxation technique is an effective treatment for type A personality disorder. Master and Johnson's squeeze technique is the treatment of choice for non-organic premature ejaculation. Extrapyramidal symptoms are maximally seen with haloperidol and fluphenazine and not seen with clozapine usage. Fluoxetine is an SSRI with maximum paradoxical anxiety. Transference implies patient's feelings towards clinician, means therapist, during psychotherapy, whereas counter-transference implies clinician's feelings towards the patient. Transference is subconsciously associating a person in the present with a past relationship. An abrasion is an emotional, unconscious reaction that you have in response to a stimulus that brings back painful situation you have experienced before. In free association, psychoanalytic patients are invited to relate whatever comes into their minds during the analytical session and not to censor their thoughts. Now come to biological therapies in psychiatry. Cognitive theory of depression given by Aaron T. Beck. Best marker for electroconvulsive therapy are brain-derived growth factor. A patient revealing his thoughts freely to a therapist is free association. Counter-transference means feeling therapists develops towards patient during psychotherapy. Displacement is the defensive mechanism for phobia. Primary processes as per Freud in non-logical and primitive. Undoing is a defense mechanism in OCD. Habit reversal training is therapy for trichotillomania. Regression and fixation in OCD as per Freud model is at anal stage of psychosexual development. Fixation of hysteria is in phallic stage. Regression and fixation in schizophrenia as per Freud model is at oral stage of psychosexual development. Technique used in psychoanalysis is free association. Faulty ideas and beliefs is principally focused on in cognitive therapy. Ego is working on reality principle. Structural model of mind was given by Sigmund Freud. It is considered to be based on principle of pleasure and is responsible for sexual urges, aggression, and innate instincts. Ego is based on principle of reality. Superego is based on moral principles and acts as conscience. Unsoundness of mind is defined as impaired behavior control due to conflict in mental processes. Now come to child psychiatry. Imbecile is moderate MR with IQ 35 to 49. MR means mental retardation. In severe mental retardation, IQ is 20 to 35. Treatable cause of MR is hypothyroidism. A child has moderate mental retardation. Practical training for daily life activities in such a case is contingency training. Autism is social and language communication problem. Asperger's syndrome is a neurodevelopment disorder. Tourette's disorder is characterized by motor tics and vocal tics of abusive language or sexually obscene words. Coprapraxia refers to obscene acts. McDonald triad is association with sociopathic behavior includes fire-setting, nocturnal enuresis, and torturing small animals. Stealing and telling lies is present in conduct disorder. Drug of choice of night terrors is low dose benzodiazepines. Enuresis is diagnosed after age of 5 years. School refusal in children is associated with separation anxieties. Selective mutism is a complex childhood anxiety disorder characterized by a child's inability to speak and communicate effectively in selective social settings such as school most commonly. Contingency is the best therapy suited to teach daily life skills to a mentally challenged child. Rett syndrome, a cerebroatrophic hyperammonemia, is a neurodevelopment disorder of the gray matter of the brain that mostly affects females. Rett syndrome is caused by mutations in the gene MECP2 located on the X chromosome. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel Doctor Entrance Exam. Keep reading.